a simple Python program to display multiplication table of any number up to 10 terms. So if you enter 17, then 17 table you are supposed to get 17 multiplied by 1 up to 17 multiplied by 10. So look at the for loop. For I in range 1 comma 11, 1 comma 11 is nothing but 1 to 10. That is I1, I2, I3 and up to I10. Look at the print NUM comma NUM. NUM is your input here. NUM comma, look at the symbol, that symbol is multiplication symbol within quotations, comma I comma is equal to within quotations, comma and num multiplied by I. So you get the output in table format. 17 multiplied by 1 is equal to 17. That 17 is NUM multiplied by 1 is your I and is equal to 17 is num multiplied by I. When I is 2, 17 multiplied by 2 is equal to 34. You get the output like that up to 10 terms. So you need to check the basic notations in these type of programs, and these basic things plays very important role while working with big programs.